So living trust and probate. I know a lot of you already have living trust set up and a lot of you don't. And I really just want to bring this information to you. There's a guy I watch on YouTube. His name is Paul Rabalias. He's an attorney out of New Orleans, and he's got some really good content. And I want to share it with you because, you know what you know what you don't know, but I'm going to tell you there's a lot more of what you just don't know. Okay. So with that being said, check this guy out. He is on YouTube. I'll provide a link down below with his contact or with this page. But he talks a lot about estate planning, and how to disinherit Uncle Sam, setting up power of attorney. There's a lot of things on here that I get a lot of information out of, and I love to share with other people. And some of this stuff may be relevant to you, and some of it may not be. But I guarantee you there's some information on here that you could probably share with somebody that would really, really appreciate your information. Okay. I know that, as we get older, some of us are on our first, second, or third marriage. It even talks about, how to handle that with your estate plan, how to make sure that your needs or your wants are being looked after. You may disinherit your kids. Some of our kids maybe don't handle money that well. He has a video in here about how to set up the trust so that way they don't blow through their inheritance in a month or two. So I think this is some great information. I hope you find it valuable. If you have questions about real estate, if you have questions about trust, probate, I'd love to be a resource for you. I will tell you, probate in California is very expensive. On an estate of $1 million, you're going to spend $23,000. Mind you, most of our real estate is well over $1 million. So even if you have a house that's worth $900,000, let's just say you have a loan for $900,000 and the property is worth $1 million, you're still going to pay $23,000. They don't care if it's paid off or not. And if you have an estate of say $4 million, probate cost is going to cost you at least $53,000. Not you, your family, $53,000. A living trust will fix all that stuff. Maybe $3,000, $2,000 to $3,000, you can fix all this. What I want to do is with these videos is give you information so that way if you go sit down with a probate attorney an estate planning attorney, you know the questions to ask, and if they know how to answer them, they're the right one for you. And if they don't, you're probably in the wrong office. Love to be a resource for you. Eric Baskett, Circle Real Estate. Have a great day.